What's up, guys? So today I'm actually going to show you guys something that I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have issues with. Is this thingy right here? It's for the cable, for the throttle cable. It goes right here like that, and then you turn it up, and then it pulls this arm thing. But recently I had some issues because this thing totally slipped out. And when I mean slip out, I mean I turned this all the way down as snug as I can, and it still slipped out. And when that happens is that you don't really have that much of throttle, or you have no throttle because now it's all slipping. So I found this little cool way, and it's just pretty tight still. But anyways, these things are junk anyways. I mean, they stripped out. I mean, shit, look at that. This shit's all messed up. So I went online and I was thinking about buying a throttle plate that goes right here, but that's only for the motors with no governor arms. So I was thinking, well, for the people though that didn't, take the governor arm off and still has the governor in the motor still, because you guys still have the 2-year warranty still. I found these little, a little way that will fix the problem. It's just this little L bracket thing that I made. Is just a flat piece of metal, and then I bent it to like a 90 degrees, and I made a hole with a little slit. If you guys could see that, a little slit, so the cable could go through it. See? And then right next to the hole, I don't know if you can see that in the camera, it was where the screw went, and then there's a little slit right there that was for this piece, and it went in there. All I did was I kind of went in there a little bit, just put a little hole, and you connect it right here with the little screw, like this, like that. And you put like a little nut on the bottom. See if I could do this real quick. Here's a screwdriver to hold the nut, and then what I use is a 7mm. I mean, I don't know if this is the right way you're supposed to do it, or is it the wrong way? I don't really know. But the other day I was riding, and my throttle went out a little bit. There you go. Just make that straight. My throttle went out, and I was really pissed off because I didn't have a fucking screwdriver. And you slip that in, and it's like that. There you go. And it works. If you want to get fancy with it, I got this little mongoose. Oh, I don't even know what you freaking call them, but I guess from the... Hey, come on. Yeah. I got this little piece from a bicycle, I guess from the handlebars for the brakes. And all I did was I cut it, just a little bit. And then this is just to be fancy with it, but you just screw that in a little bit. Get the hose lined up, slide this in like that, tighten it up. And now the slit is covered from this side with this washer thing, and now the cable can't come out because it's in that little slit. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of what it looks like. Try it out. I think it's gonna work. I mean, it's simple. It's better than buying those plates for $40 just for a 5-minute piece of metal type of thing. Honestly, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.